Watch this video with me.
I used to speak Yoruba when I lived. In fact, I used it as a bit of a weapon. So because I had this accent going to Nigeria, I went to a boarding school and I learned
a boarding school
in Nigeria.
In Nigeria.
But I pretended I couldn't speak Yoruba the whole time.
What?
So it is like being the invisible man. If people are speaking a language they think you can't speak and you can understand everything they're saying. I was like 12, 13 for 2 years. So
you could hear everything.
Every girl who liked me, I would hear them talking and I would just be there going,
yeah. Hello.
Okay. Mine did not last 2 years, and I did not use it as a weapon. I actually used mine as a survival technique. So I'm Igbo from the southeastern part of Nigeria, and I did my youth service in the southwestern part in a state called Osun, inside the village of Osun. And so one of these days when I went to the market to buy foodstuff, this is not something that I typically did in college or even growing up. So it was one of those first time things. I went to the market and I was just confused because in that particular part of the world where I went, like everybody spoke Yoruba or English. And so I was already out of my depth there, right? Then I heard somebody calling me in Igbo language. Now, how did they know to call me in Igbo language? Apparently, I'm the poster boy for Igbo. People say when you look at me, you can tell I'm Igbo. I tried to fight it when I was much younger, but now I just welcome it and try to take pride in it, right? So yeah, poster boy for Igbo. And this lady called out to me in Igbo language and I went over and she was Igbo and she sold everything to me. And so I just got everything from her and went home. Here I was, very happy that I had somehow tricked the system, only for me to get back home. And my neighbor, who was a Yoruba woman, came over and she was looking at the items on board and she was like, "Oh, Uncle Martin, that one there, how much you buy them?" I told her. She shouted, how much you buy that one? I told her. She shouted, then cheat you. Come show me the person. Long story short, this woman that I thought was my sister actually took advantage of the fact that we spoke Igbo and completely swindled me. And so the next time I went to the market, you know what I did? I pretended that I could not speak it. So the same woman and other women who were Igbo, because there were a lot of Igbo people in that market, they were calling out to me, you know, my color, yellow. And I was like, So, unlike David, mine was for survival. And of course, I did not do it for up to 2 years. This was a period of maybe 2 weeks and I got to know my way around the market. But yeah, if you've ever had to survive or if you've ever had to pretend that you don't speak a language, I would love to hear the story. For whatever reason it was, share in the comments.
Mic check 1 2.